case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a critical test of U.S. securities law, a securities fraud lawsuit brought forth by former shareholders of Advanta Corporation against the company and its officers has been upheld by the court. At the heart of the allegations was the claim that the company issued false and misleading statements about its future earnings and stock value, leading to a significant $20 million loss. The shareholders alleged that Advanta's misrepresentation was detrimental to secondary trading. Part of the company's demise was attributed to its aggressive strategy of attracting new credit card customers, which led to a sharp increase in default rates and decline in revenue. The shareholders' lawsuit implied that had the truthful details been disclosed, investors could have been protected from these losses. The plaintiffs sought redress under the pleading requirements of the Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. However, the district court dismissed the lawsuit, advising the plaintiffs they were allowed to revamp and resubmit their claim. In a bold move, the former shareholders decided to stand on the original complaint, triggering a legal showdown about the interpretation of the Securities Litigation Reform Act. At the crux of the contention was how the act impacted pleading requirements for securities fraud. The shareholders pushed for a strong inference standard, a less stringent standard established decades ago by the Second Circuit. Contrary to this, Advanta argued for a higher standard bolstered by the Reform Act. Despite the compelling arguments, the court dismissed the lawsuit. The decision pivoted on the fact that the plaintiff's case was inadequate in pleading scienter, a critical component of the Reform Act requirements. The shareholders were unable to present concrete facts proving fraudulent intent. Separate claims against two defendants related to positive portrayals and Section 20A were also dismissed due to insufficient evidence of an underlying violation of the Exchange Act. In essence, the court buttressed the principle that it is not enough to allege fraud. Plaintiffs must provide detailed and specific evidence suggesting fraudulent intent to meet the stringent standards of the Reform Act. The shareholders' stand on their original complaint sealed the case, further affirming the importance of meeting outlined complaint requirements in securities fraud litigation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.